For our video this time, for our art history lesson, we're going to learn symmetry. But let's do a little bit of review about some of our art history. Do you remember her name? Her name is Bridget Riley, and her art tries to trick your eyes. You can see how it looks like this paper is going in. And since it tries to trick your eyes, we call it op art. All right, this guy's name was Kandinsky, and his art is stuff you would never see in real life. It comes from your imagination, so we call it abstract. Say that with me 3 times. Abstract, abstract, abstract. Good. Okay, this girl's name was Georgia O'Keeffe. And she was famous for what? Yeah, for painting flowers, really big flowers. They go off the edges of the paper and it feels like you're inside her flower. So here's some, and here's some more that she painted. Some more of her paintings. Okay, this guy's name was Henry Matisse. And in this painting, it's called, do you remember, Girl with a Hat? Or Woman with a Hat? Now I can't remember. Embarrassing. But what did he use to show emotion? Yeah, he used colors, huh? And so you can tell from all the colorful colors that he has a very happy feeling to this painting, right? But what happened to him when he got older? Do you remember? His hands. He got arthritis in his hands and he couldn't hold a paintbrush and do the fine motions, but he still wanted to make art. And so he started using scissors and glue. And the word collage comes from a French word which means to glue. And so you can see him here. He's using his scissors and cutting out shapes. Do you remember what this painting is called? It's called The Snail. You can see it. Here's the antenna, and there's his head, and there's his shell. Yeah, so collage. All right, and then this is what we're doing today. When you have a picture, I'm going to bring this up here. When it is the same on both sides, see how we could draw a line right here? And there's like a mirror image. It's right here, and there's the mirror. It's right here, and there's the mirror. Yeah, so if you could draw a line down the middle, and it's the same on both sides, that means it has symmetry. Say it with me 3 times. Symmetry, symmetry, symmetry. Good. Guess what? Your face has symmetry. See, you can draw a line down the middle, and you've got half of your mouth on this side and half on this side. Half and an eye and an eye and an eyebrow and an eyebrow. I have a part that's not symmetrical. If I parted my hair in the middle, it would be. Okay, so check out this cool symmetry painting. Except for the bird in the very middle, it's symmetrical this way. You could fold it in half top to bottom. It's symmetrical this way. You could fold it in half east to west. It's symmetrical on the diagonal. Tons of symmetry in there. Good. So we're going to make a painting today that has symmetry. All right. So what you're going to need is you're going to need this paper from your envelope that says art history. It's already folded in half, and we've already painted the yellow side. Okay, so you'll need that paper out of your art history envelope. Then you're going to need your brown paint. You'll need your green paint. You'll need your little paintbrush. You'll need your watercolors. You'll need some water and probably a napkin or a towel. Okay, let's get started. So we've already painted the yellow half of the paper, we need to paint the bottom half. So this is the sky, and then we're going to paint the water. So this is the painting that we're making. It's called Trees Reflected on the Water. I'll bring it up here and show it to you. So you can see here are the trees. Here's your line of symmetry. And then their mirror image down here on the bottom. And they're like a reflection on the water. So that's what we're making. All right. So we already painted the yellow, so we're going to add the blue. You have to get lots of water in your paint so that it'll paint really good for us. Paint the bottom. Now don't go past this middle line. That's the hardest part. You can just paint below the middle line. That'll be good. The blue half of our painting. Now you're going to need to wash out your paintbrush. Wash it out really good, and then you'll want to dry it off. Okay. Hopefully that'll dry fast. Then we're going to start painting the trees. Now this is the water. We're not going to paint on the water. We're only going to paint in the air, and then we're going to fold our paper in half to get the symmetry. So we're going to start by painting our tree trunks. So they'll come just on the yellow part. Don't paint on the blue part. I'm going to do a tree here, a tree here. You don't have to do your trees the same as mine. But I'm going to draw a few different trees. Okay, after I'm done with my brown, I'm going to fold it in half. Yeah. I want this glue to be dry, so I'm going to dry it off a little bit. I don't want it to run. But I want to, before my brown dries, I want to fold it over. There we go. Get it? This one I didn't get very, I want more paint there, so I'm going to put more paint up here on the top, and I'm going to fold it. There we go. If I put it here, it won't get on there when we fold it over. There, like that. I think that's good. A little bit more right here. Okay, I'm going to wash out my brown, dry it out, and get my green. Oh. Okay, so as I'm painting, I'm only painting up here in the sky. Ooh, I'm interested to see what your trees look like. That will be fun. Okay, and then this one's kind of, there we go. All right, fold it over. Let's see. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. Okay. I'll bring it up here and show it to you. There we go. And you can see right here is our line of symmetry because it's like a mirror image. top to bottom.
What's that word? Say it with me 3 more times. Symmetry, symmetry, symmetry. Good job.
Now we're still going to want to use our green another time and our brown, so make sure that you save those and go wash out your paintbrush. All right?
Thanks.